Uh-oh, here we go. What you got, baby?
Coconut milk, we have salmon, rice, we have onions, tomato, peppers, cilantro, garlic, black pepper, salt, and cumin.
Cumin, however
yeah,
you say
and
it.
Goya.
And Goya?
Yes.
Okay, pretty simple. And look at how I did when I cracked and I hurt my hand. But then, on top of that, once we got the coconut open, this is what happened. It's not good. It wasn't good. So, I don't know, we tried to take the parts off, but anyway, it's bad. It's bad, a bad coconut. But that's why we went on and took got the can of coconut milk. But normally we like to go all natural and everything. So that's where we at. So we're not gonna use that coconut. We're good to go. All right, let's get started. What you got?
Yes, let's turn the stuff on. So we add the coconut milk on inside the pot. And we wait for it. It's a little boil. We need to add some brown sugar, so because we want the milk dry but be like caramel.
Right.
So that's what we want to be, the rice be brown.
All right.
I put right now like half a cup, or maybe need a little more, but I don't think so.
All right. But let me show them what we got going on. Hold on, time out. Here, let's do a commercial. Everybody, welcome to Yolanda's cooking channel. See, we got her kitchen done. I'm finally done with that. I think she was gonna do something to me, but just keep in mind that we will be making a cake, and we had a cake hack. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be really good. She over there stirring up the rice or whatever while that's going, but we're gonna put brown sugar in the cake, and this is a cake hack. You're gonna see when we get done. And the special part about this is this: you don't follow the directions on this box. You don't do it. We're gonna give y'all our own directions, okay?
So now I add the sugar, and I had to stir, and we wait when it's dry, a little like caramel, and turn it like a little caramel, and we're gonna see what happens.
What's gonna happen? No, I wanna know. Tell me what's gonna happen.
You're gonna see in a little bit. So now when we wait it, we're gonna start seasoning the salmon. So we're gonna use salt, pink salt. Well, you can use whatever salt you want. I prefer pink salt. Then we add some cumin. I know Corey loves the cumin. It made it taste different. It's a little tasty.
It's real tasty.
Yeah.
Everybody should try it.
So we put a little garlic. I prefer use regular garlic, but you can use garlic salt or garlic powder. But I prefer regular garlic. Well, the meat is seasoned now. Let's go start with all the other ingredients now.
See, what I'm gonna do is, right, you gotta check the milk and make sure the milk is doing good. See, it's starting to boil a little bit, so you know that's when you know it's almost ready. You feel me? I'll get back to y'all later after she.
I use grapeseed oil, but you can use whatever oil you prefer. Let's put a little more. When the oil heat and turn it hot, we're going to use all these ingredients: onions, tomato, and the peppers, and cilantro, and garlic. That's what we had to mix the salmon.
Oh, I'm getting it.
So it's still boiling. It's going to take a little time.
Yeah, so it's going to take a little time.
Yeah,
for the milk,
we're going to add a little salt. Like maybe like a teaspoon or salt.
Make the pan cry.
Yeah, make the pan cry.
It ain't really crying though.
I think the oil needs to be a little heated.
See, next time I have to teach her to, make the pan a little heated.
Yeah, next time you have to let me know. Watch the time.
Yeah.
So we add the tomato. It's crying now.
It's crying. Let's hear it. Oh, that's the pan cry.
Yeah, that's the pan cry.
What's
We
that?
add the peppers, red pepper.
Oh, I thought it was tomatoes.
No, that's red pepper. And I got green pepper. So we add some garlic. I prefer regular. You prefer how you want to. Add some Goya.
Can I get my skin crispy?
Yeah, you're gonna have your skin really crispy, how you always have.
All right, thank you very much, ma'am.
I think we need to add a little more sugar, but in a little bit. We add some salt, a little salt.
Sea salt, by the way, y'all. Sea
Sea
salt.
salt or pink salt.
Or pink salt, yeah.
A little cumin or cumin.
Cumin, ain't it cumin? Cumin? I'm gonna look it up. That's it. I'm
Well,
tired.
in Spanish, comino.
Camino.
You can add a little talk on the black pepper. I have to cook maybe for 10 minutes. Cover. So when you cover it, it made a little, it start the water, so it start making like a little sauce. So
Okay.
that's how we gonna mix it.
Oh, so the vegetables combine with the
Yes.
oil.
So yeah, so con
Okay.
oil, but sometimes you see it's too dry, you add a little water.
But see, this is the problem, y'all. This is the problem, ladies and gentlemen. She won't show me how to cook this stuff. She always tell me to go sit down. But now, when she want to show it to everybody, now I gotta learn when y'all learn. This ain't right. This ain't right.
We can start to add a little cilantro. Cilantro give a good flavor to everything.
You know, I saw some good stuff about cilantro, blood pressure and all that kind of stuff too. I didn't know it had all those benefits to it, but I should have looked them up.
We
before
love
started.
cilantro. Well, I love.
We.
We.
We is we. Me too. And you too. And we.
Smell really good. Maybe we need to add a little water because I like to be not dry. I like to be juicy. And you stir. Looking really good.
You know what? It almost looked like caramel. Like,
Yeah, it had to be a caramel to make the rice brown. But you can make it without brown. That's gonna be a next one to show how to do it.
Okay.
Okay, that's the color we want for the coconut milk. Turn it like dark brown. So we're gonna add 2 cups of water and 2 cups of rice. We'll stir and when the rice is dry. Okay, it's ready. Now we have to take it out from the pot so we can cook the salmon. Right here. Smell really good. We're gonna cook the salmon in the same pot. You need to add a little oil. Okay, so you want the skin crunchy, yeah?
Yes, yes, I do.
Okay. So we have to wait when the skin is a little hard, and we're gonna turn it on. We're flipping. Okay, let's go. Check the rice. Look at how it turned the rice. The color is beautiful. Okay, so watch, you see the skin is turning brown. Not crunchy yet. So we can cook both sides like you seal. Okay, after that you can take the thing off, flipping again. And you start taking apart like you mash it. Look at that. Taking apart. Okay, so now add the sauces all around and stir. Look at that how it look. It look good. It smell really good.
And let it simmer and then serve.
Yes.
Check it out.
Check it out.
Yolanda.